Anytime, anywhere, heart beats regularly. But people with a heart condition may have irregular heart rhythm. A big problem is that you may miss the abnormalities. Especially, intermittent abnormal heartbeats make doctors' diagnosis difficult. That's why you need a long-term continuous electrocardiography. Up to 11 days uninterrupted cardiac monitor. AT patch. Shall we get started? Draw an imaginary line between the two clavicles and the left nipple and check the center position. Shave your chest hair if necessary. Wipe with alcohol and dry at least 1 minute. Remove the transparent protective film on the back. Attach the patch on the center along the imaginary line. Press down the center and all sides of the patch for complete attachment. Remove the white protective tape after 1 or 2 hours. Install the AT Note app by scanning QR code on the front of the product box. Open AT Note app. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and press the power button on the patch for 3 seconds. Enter the serial number or scan QR code on the patch. Now you can view real-time ECG. Without smartphone, you can check it on your hospital's PC. For 11 days use, you can take a shower, but you should not swim or go into bathtubs. Casual activities are possible, but you should avoid a heavy sports, no sweat a lot. When you feel any unusual heartbeats, push the power button shortly. You can record a symptom on AT Note app. If you cannot use a smartphone, a handwriting option is also available. If necessary, use ECG recording function. After 11 days use, the patch will turn off automatically. Grab the edge of the patch and slowly peel it off. Put the removed patch in the gift box and return it to your hospital. A medical technologist uses AT Report to analyze ECG data. Analysis report is provided to your doctor. See your doctor at the hospital to check the results and get a diagnosis. More suitable way of finding heart problems. 11 days promise. AT patch. This is a medical device that requires a doctor's prescription.